To integrate the EveryDollar debt snowball, start by understanding what the debt snowball method is. This method involves paying off debts one by one, starting with the smallest balance first, while making minimum payments on other debts. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that helps you track your expenses and stay on top of your finances. First, create an account on the EveryDollar website and set up your budget by adding all your income and expenses. Make sure to include all your debts, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages, in your budget. Next, list all your debts, from the smallest balance to the largest, and prioritize them based on the debt snowball method. In EveryDollar, go to the debt section and add each of your debts, including the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. Then, allocate as much money as possible towards the debt with the smallest balance, while making minimum payments on the other debts. As you pay off each debt, use the money to attack the next debt on the list. For example, if you have 2 credit cards, one with a $500 balance and the other with a $2,000 balance, you would pay as much as possible towards the $500 credit card first, while making minimum payments on the $2,000 credit card. Once the $500 credit card is paid off, you would use that money to pay off the $2,000 credit card. To make the most of the EveryDollar debt snowball, make sure to regularly review and update your budget to ensure you are on track to pay off your debts. You can also use the EveryDollar app to track your spending and stay motivated to reach your financial goals. By following these steps and staying committed to your budget, you can effectively integrate the EveryDollar debt snowball and become debt-free.